Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Collectible Card Chick here. Welcome back to the Countdown to Halloween Spectacular. We are well over halfway through the month of October.